What's up, you guys? Wanted to do a video on the 4Runner. We've had it for a bit now and still love it. Still an awesome upgrade over the previous gen. Totally recommend if you guys can get one of the new 4Runners to get it. Just drives amazing compared to the previous gen. I actually love driving the 4Runner over my 4th gen Tacoma. For some reason it's a lot more snappy and more power low end and drives smoother than the 4th gen Tacoma. It's kind of weird because it's the same motor, drivetrain, all that's like the same. So maybe it's tuned different, not sure on that, but yeah, it drives a lot better. I prefer to drive this, you know, in town, long trips over the Tacoma I got. But yeah, it's still an awesome vehicle to have, you guys. It's all stock. It's hard to keep it this way. I'm sure we got some mods coming shortly to throw on this. As you can see, been putting a lot on the Tacoma lately. But if you guys haven't seen my other videos, let's show you the interior a little bit. Pretty much exactly the same as the 4th gen Tacoma I have. The interior is totally the same. Thank you, Lasfit, for the floor liners. These are awesome. Totally recommend you guys get these. Just love 4Runners. Still my favorite feature, you guys. Look at this. Just love the 4Runners with the roll down window. I think all the vehicles should come with these that Toyota offers. Imagine that on the Tacoma, it'd be awesome. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, just ask. Or any video ideas, let me know what you want to see. The Tacoma or the 4Runner. Might do an off-road video soon in the Tacoma. Probably could take this as well. Today's Father's Day. If you guys have kids, happy Father's Day to all the guys out there. There's Covey again. And Athena. The dogs are doing great. Hope you guys are doing good. I appreciate you all for watching. Check description for all the discount codes I have and all that. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, you guys.